Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, we've come off a little bit from the highs. We're trading down around 80.75. You can see here the grind on the daily chart. It's been pretty much uninterrupted. You had the Iranian blip there back on the 8th, and then it's been pretty much back to business, staying above the blue line, above the 9-day. 9-day comes in today. Basically around 63. The hourly chart, I typed out to the subscribers last night. Look, it's been kind of, it's been consolidation. That can go either way. It's been fairly tight in Globex. We've been consistently short since yesterday afternoon on any move up around the 88 area. So that's paid us a few times. That's been good. We were long. We were short 91 a couple of times. We got long 86. And then we spent the afternoon being short around 87, 88. And we're short, not quite as high. We're short 85 at this point. So we're just kind of letting that work. We just put that on not too long ago. So the bears are vigorously defending the 88 area. The bulls are defending anything below 80. And both sides are throwing everything they possibly can at this thing in order to hold it up. They signed the phase 1 trade deal today. I don't know if that's going to create any kind of a rumor mill or if putting pen to paper is going to do anything to the tape. Right now, it's just a battle of the 8 to 10 handles that's sitting below that all-time high that we put in yesterday up at 32.9675. The task for each side is pretty simple. The bulls did 95 yesterday. They really needed to make a new all-time high and deal with 3,300 yesterday, in my opinion. And we talked about that yesterday on the webcast. The bears, though, so far, they can't finish. They need to start to live below 80. They need to try to grind down in some way to at least deal with the 9-day down at 63. Because the reality is, as long as we're hanging out up here, it continues to embolden dip buyers to just come in and grab it, because every time you grab it, you get paid. And until that is no longer the case, until the dip buyers start to get hurt, you are not going to see the bears be able to do anything consistent. Certainly not anything that's going to be multi-day. It's only until these dip buyers, and I'm one of them, who at this point are pretty fearless, and there's no reason why they should really fear anything at all. Until those trades stop working, until the AD line, the advanced decline, gets solidly red and stays there for a couple of days, are you really going to see the weakness in the underlying issues that's going to translate into the futures? For now, we'll continue to knock around in this 15-20 handle range, and dips will continue to be bought. So if you're the bears, do yourselves a favor. Convert 80, go to work on 70, see if you can get to 63. Challenge, or try to challenge, the Friday low. That's really all you got. Bulls, you're only going to be able to get away with this for so long. You're going to have to start living up here. We're in the middle of an upper band ride on the daily chart. That upper band is up at 32.97. So it's not, it's not a bridge really all that far if they can get some positive news and go ahead and take out that all-time high today. For now, we're pretty comfortable being short against 86 to 88 as long as that area continues to be defended. And I'm not blind buying the lows down here, because if one of these cracks, it'll get really slippery. It'll be a really nice trade. So I'm more comfortable right now being short on the resistance moves up to 86 to 88. All right, everybody have a great day. VWAP sitting at 83 and change. Right there with the hourly mid-band, 83, 84. So if we stay down here into the bell, any retest of 83, 84 is going to be key. That's where the bears really need to have an established lower high and then try to bust it. All right. Take care, everybody. More stuff out on social. Come trade this stuff in the room. Come trade this stuff in the room. It's pretty simple. It's a great group. We'll keep you out of trouble. We'll teach you how to trade this stuff, and we'll find some setups. All right, take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.